Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab gravy. Get ready to create a truly delicious and satisfying seafood experience right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your gravy is rich, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this guide will help you master a fantastic crab gravy that will impress everyone at your table. Let's dive in and get cooking. To begin your crab gravy journey, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh, high-quality crab meat, ensuring it's free of shells. For the aromatic base, prepare 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper, all finely diced. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of rich butter and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for the roux, plus 2 cups of flavorful seafood or chicken broth to create that perfect gravy consistency. Now let's get cooking. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your diced onion, garlic, and bell pepper, sautéing them until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a roux, cooking for 2 minutes. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of broth, bringing the gravy to a gentle simmer. Finally, fold in your crab meat and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until heated through. Your delicious crab gravy is now ready to be enjoyed. For a classic presentation, serve it generously over a bed of fluffy white rice. This rich gravy also complements crispy fried fish or succulent shrimp beautifully, making for a truly satisfying meal. For a touch of freshness and color, garnish your dish with some freshly chopped parsley or thinly sliced green onions. This savory creation is perfect as a comforting main course for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.